Hey guys, it's Will from Magic the Friendly Tavern. It's been a while since I did a video. I got kind of ill last week. Didn't put out any videos, but today I'm gonna do a short video, maybe a long video, on MTGfamiliar, the app for the Android phone. This is version 3.9.2. Um, it's made by a bunch of people. They're collaborators and stuff that put it out, and it's free. It's a really good app, and I wanted to show you guys how to use it. So that's where we're at right now. To start off with, this is your main page. This allows you to search for any parameters for your cards, and I mean there are a lot of parameters here. They got flavor text, watermark, artist, collector's number, set type, sets, format, rarity, mana cost, power toughness, converted mana cost. They have colors, and you can include exact colors. You can must include all colors, must include any colors, no other colors, or exact. It can be for the commander color identity or for the regular color. If you're playing in a 60 card format, the text on the card, I use this a lot. Super types and subtypes and the name of the card. So let's type in a name. Let's go Gissa and see what happens. That's because I can't spell today. I'm sorry. Yes, Gissa. But see, it brings up Bellowing Aegisar because all those letters are in the same name. But here's Ghoul Color Gisa. Here's Gisa and Geralf. Gissa's bidding, and it'll pull up everything under that name. We go back there to the card search and type in, you got artifacts, you got everything, and you just click on one of these. You can actually add several. See there, we got tribal, there we got summon. So let's go artifact. We can go creature and pull up our search, and there's all artifact creatures right there. You just add in the tags, and then we can add in other tags as well. We go back, there's artifact creature, and then maybe golems. Bam, there's all your artifact creature golems right there. Pretty good. Next we'll go to and these are really good. When you type in text, you don't have to type in the exact text. Like say I put in land draw opponent. So Binding the Old Gods, this booby trap, it brings up everything that'll have those exact words in it. So you can get pretty precise on what you want it to do. But you can sort by color, power and toughness, rarity, format. It's all here. It's great. So let's go ahead and look next in our drop menu. We also have a life counter. That's really nice. We have a mana pool. That can come in handy. We have dice. We have all the dice and a coin flip. So that's really nice if you don't want to really be messing around with dice and stuff like that at the table. We'll get into, we got a wish list. We will get into the trade cards here in a second. I actually have a trade loaded up. This is a trade I made. As you can see, it's 1137, 1153. It's pretty close. He threw in an extra card to make it right. But you put all your trades on this side, and it'll give you a dollar amount. And you put all your trades on the other side to give you another dollar amount, and you can tell how close you are in the trade. That way, you don't get hurt while trading. So, trading 5 rares for a mythic, that's not a good way to trade. You want to trade money value. So this trading cards is really nice. Here's a wish list. You can make it. There's a deck builder. Here's my shroom deck loaded up into the deck builder. Who knows how old that list is? Here's a round timer. You can keep. You can run your own tournaments with this. Just a round timer. Here we're getting into the rules, the judges corner. This is actually all of the game's incomprehensive rules. I mean, every last one of them. Right here for you to read. So that's great. There's a glossary of terms. This is all searchable. This is all searchable. You can search, if you search right here, you're searching in the rules, so you can search for that. Here's your formats, banned and restricted list. Really, really good information to have. Moving into it again, Judges Corner will take you to an external link. Mojo Stow is a game based on Warmervig, Joyra, and I forget the other creature, but it allows you to basically bring in random creatures, bring in random artifacts, or bring in random enchantments, and it's for playing a different game. It used to be a mode on MTGO, and now it's kind of its own thing here, so no problem. You got settings, force update, about what's new, save data to my card or load it from it. No big deal. But we'll get back to the card search right now. We're going to type in a card, and I want to show y'all some other stuff with it. So here's Shroom. Now, if you pull this menu down right here, first of all, you can pull up the card image. Isn't that nice? So you got a nice picture of the card right there. Now, here's another feature. If you hold down this and click it, it'll save it into your pictures, and then you can go to another app. You can go to another app and put the picture in the app. Like, here's Facebook, what's on your mind, add a photo. There's the photo right there. No big deal. Then you can post it. And that's how we post photos to Facebook, by using this app. That's how I do it anyways, and it's great. It gives you a nice, good, clean photo. Another thing you want to check is you can see the card price. So these are updated in real time from TCG Player, but sometimes they're wrong, so you want to double check them. But it gives you your low to average to high to market. It gives you for foil, and you can click here and it'll take you directly to the TCG Player link. But it is tcgplayer.com prices, and it is live updated. So that's great. Next, you can change the set. This has been reprinted a few times, so we can change sets. Next is a really good ability. Card rulings. As you can see at 8/7/2020, it tells you that it can be targeted by its own ability if it goes to the graveyard, usually most likely due to the legend rule. These card rulings are great. These card rulings explain so much more into the cards that a lot of people miss. People need to read the card rulings as well as the game rules to get the full picture. That's right. You need both the game rules and you need the card rulings. Some cards have several rulings over several amounts of time. Really great. You can add it to their wish list. We can add it to a deck. Here's legality, so you can see what it's banned and what it's legal in at a glance. And you don't have to go back to and look over the restricted list or anything. It's all right here for you in this drop-down menu. Share cards, probably what I did earlier, where I clicked on it, or translated card name. I don't really use those features, but that's the gist of what I use it for mainly, is just the card rulings, the card price, the card image. And go back to the trades. Like we're trading cards here. Like I was even able to change them to the right sets. Be able to mark them as either foil or non-foil. If you check that box, you just type in the name of a card, like Gorkland Rampager. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clear fields. Okay, that's fine. You can make a new trade. You can save these trades too. You can put them anywhere. You can do whatever you want with them. So that's nice. So what we were doing earlier is like, okay, so we're going to look at Gorilla Chieftain. We'll add the card to our side. And change its set. And we'll say it's alliances. It's worth 7 cents. Alright, you know, we can look at it. We'll say it's foil. It can't be foil from alliances, though. Alliances didn't have any foils. If we wanted to. You know, here's a little bit of card info. It'll show you, you know, you can look at the card, make sure it's right. Okay, that just changes the frame with the different types. So we got a Gorilla Chieftain on this side, and we're trying to trade for an Emrakul. And we're going to see that trade is a no-go because this 7-cent Gorilla Chieftain isn't worth a $50 Emrakul. You know, even if it is from the new set. You know, we can say it's foil if we wanted to. And now it's $66.89. So you see how that works, and it keeps you right on your trades. I really like this feature. This is one of my favorite features on this app. But the card search is so robust. Like, I always find what I'm looking for, even if I got to type it in text and go looking and scrub a list. I like scrubbing lists on here. It's fun. Again, I like the ability to use it to pull up pictures to post. There's just a lot going on with this for free on Android. It's great. So again, if you have an Android device and you're looking for a top-notch MTG app, this is where you want to be. This is what you want to be doing. Download it today. I am not affiliated with them. I am not sponsoring them. They are not sponsoring me. We have no affiliation, but I recommend this app wholeheartedly. If any of y'all know of a better app, let me know. But so far, of all the ones I've tried, this one is definitely my favorite. And I've shown you all the reasons why. And I hope that kind of showed you how to use the app and go into it a little bit. If y'all have any questions, please ask down in the comments. Again, I'm Will from Magic the Friendly Tavern on Facebook. Come and see us. Happy pack pulls, and as always, happy games.